everyone, and welcome back to another episode of This is Angler TV. In today's episode, I'm checking out a place I haven't been to in like a year. Supposed to stop. Yeah, someone's been shooting at it. Deer Hunter fact sheet, and it's empty. Yeah, this is literally in the middle of nowhere. I've only fished here once before. That was about a year ago. I remember it was last summer. Kind of like it. It's like in the middle of nowhere. Really. We're actually a few miles away from a pretty large university town. It's supposed to rain today. I was kind of counting on some clouds. Well, there are some clouds out. A bit more overcast. But I guess we'll work with what we got. Kind of remember this. I don't know if there's any fish in it. Nah. See a turtle. About the rods I have today. I got my Ultra Balance Pinnacle rod. It's a combo I got. I did a review on it. That's a locust. You free locust. Okay, back to what I was saying. Yeah. So that's my bass rod. For my panfish, I got my Zebco Dock Demon. $8 from Dick's Sporting Goods. I bought it online. So yeah, I'm gonna check them out. Well, I mean, I've already. So yeah, that's the rods I'm using today. I meant to say. Yeah, this road's a little deteriorated. Just kind of walk up it. No swimming, no camping, and no fires. Dang it. At least I didn't say anything about no fishing. Man, if this was Fortnite, this would be an alright place to hide. This is like my favorite level in Fortnite. Alright. So I'm about to jump down this portal here. If this is the right portal I remember, it takes you to a pretty neat spot. It's all of a sudden got really dark, a lot cooler. We've had some pretty heavy rain a day or two ago, so it's a little wet still. Yeah, this is a spot I was at last year. Alright, I'm gonna set my stuff right here. Quick little PSA, if you will. If you're ever out in a hot weather, remember, boys and girls, to bring your shield potion with you. There we go. Would you look at that? There we go. You know, I probably should have brought those pliers down here with me. Oh, would you look at that? Can't tell if that's the same one or not. Yeah, I'm using the same cup of wax worms from last week. Actually, I just saw something jump. I think it was a bass. I'm gonna try that for a second. Alright, so it's been quite a while later. Didn't have any it's been a few minutes later. I didn't really have any luck catching bass. I had like one bite, nothing else after that. So I'm gonna go back to catching some panfish. There we go. And these are small ones around here. Yeah, I'll be honest, guys. I thought the fish out here were going to be a little bigger. Whoa. I mean, at least I'm catching something. Well, hey, that's a little bigger. Oh, yeah! Whew. Oh, this is the biggest bass I've ever caught. Whew. Check this out. This is my new personal best. Woo! Whew. That's the biggest bass I've ever caught, for sure. Alright, I'm gonna let this guy go. Biggest bass for sure. Whew. Oh man, that was awesome. Not sure if we're going to top that one or not today. That one was big. That's my new personal best for sure. I've never caught a fish or a bass that big. That's like the most exciting thing so far this season. Oh man, got off. It wasn't that as big as the last one, but I mean, it's still something. All right, funny story about this lure. So I've been using this particular lure here since 2016. And I've used it for quite a few of the bass I've caught in my other videos, and I've got snagged a couple times. You can see it's been beat up on the rocks, but I've always got it out so far, and that's where I just caught that one huge bass on. Well, caught my new personal best on. So I just thought it was kind of a neat story. I know I've talked about it in other videos, but yeah, just kind of a neat story. Hey, another bass. Not quite the same as last time, but something. Hey, yeah, he's a little cut up. Hope he's fine. See you next season. Hopefully. Alright, so it's pretty early in the day still. It's about 1:30. I got other stuff I need to be doing. So I'm going to call it a day. Head on back. It was a great day of fishing though. Yeah, it was a pretty good day. I got work I need to be doing. So probably get something to eat and edit this video. I mean, I think it was probably worth the hike here. Wasn't too far of a hike. Back up this hill. You can see here that bass earlier did a number on my thumb. Oh, this wind feels great. Such a great day out too. Well, on my way back, I decided to walk down this dam, see what's down here, and guess this is the end of it. Got a no trespassing sign and no hunting. So yeah, I guess I'll have to turn around. couldn't help but think this would be a great place for like a music video or something. If any of you guys are interested, just let me know in the comments below. I know some of you guys got probably a band you'd be willing to promote. The video, and thanks for watching. Until next time, don't trespass on private property. See ya.